Introduction to Power Automate.
Microsoft Power Automate is a user-friendly tool that helps you automate everyday tasks without any coding knowledge. With Power Automate, you can set up workflows that send notifications, reminders, or even move files for you. This video will guide you through creating automated reminders so you never miss an important deadline or task.
What are automated reminders?
The automated reminders are scheduled notifications that help you remember tasks, meetings, or deadlines. They can send messages via email, push notifications, or even within chat apps like Microsoft Teams. With Power Automate, you can create these reminders to recur on a daily, weekly, or custom schedule, making it easier to stay organized and productive.
Setting up your first reminder flow.
To get started, sign into Power Automate using your Microsoft account. Click on Create, then choose Scheduled Cloudflow. Enter a name, select how often you want the reminder to occur, and set the start date and time. This establishes the foundation for your automated reminder system using a simple, no-code approach.
Adding reminder actions.
Once the schedule is set, you'll add an action for the type of reminder you want. Click New Step, then choose an action such as Send an email or Send a message in Teams. Fill out the details, like the recipient and the reminder message. Power Automate will use this information to send reminders automatically at your chosen times.
Saving, testing, and managing your reminders.
After setting up your flow, save it and test to ensure the reminders work as intended. Power Automate offers tools to monitor your flows and see their run history, helping you troubleshoot if issues arise. You can edit or pause your flows at any time, giving you full control over your automated reminders and notifications.